Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Talk Class, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here.
Hi, Daniel. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. And you? You look very happy today.
I am very happy. I'm excited for our topic today.
Oh, yes. It's a very good topic. Very important.
Yes, exactly. But before we start, everyone please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and click the like button, and please share our podcast with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
It really does. Okay, so Daniel, are you ready?
I am ready. So what is our topic today?
Today, our topic is Tell me about yourself.
A very common question. People ask this all the time.
They do. In a new class, at a new job, when you meet new people.
It's true, and sometimes it's hard to know what to say.
Yes, so today we will talk about it. We will make it easy and fun.
That sounds perfect. So who starts, you or me?
How about you start? Daniel, tell me about yourself.
Okay, my turn first. Where do I start?
Let's start with the easy one. What is your name?
My name is Daniel.
Nice to meet you, Daniel. My name is Emily.
Nice to meet you too, Emily.
Can you spell your name?
Sure. Daniel.
Great. Daniel is an easy name.
Thank you. Can you spell your name too?
Yes. Emily.
Emily is a beautiful name.
Thank you. Daniel, do you have a nickname?
Yes, sometimes. My friends call me Dan.
Dan is nice and short.
Do you have a nickname, Emily?
Yes, my family calls me M.
M is very cute.
Thanks.
Students, you can say, you can call me blank.
Yes, very natural. Okay, next question. Where are you from?
I am from the United States.
The United States. Very cool. Which state are you from?
I'm from California.
California is famous.
Yes, it's famous for beaches and sunny weather.
That sounds amazing.
What about you, Emily? Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Canada? Wow. Which city are you from?
I'm from Toronto.
Toronto is a big city, right?
Yes, it is. It's big and busy.
Do you like living in Toronto?
Yes, I do. I like the city life.
Do you speak French, Emily?
A little bit. Not perfect, but a little.
That's great.
What about you? Do you speak another language?
I speak a little Spanish.
Nice. Spanish is very useful. Now, where do you live now, Daniel?
I live in a small town.
Oh, a small town. Is it quiet?
Yes, it's quiet and peaceful.
That sounds relaxing.
It is. I like quiet places. Where do you live now, Emily?
I live in a big city.
Big cities are exciting.
Yes, but they can be noisy.
True. Big cities are noisy and crowded.
Do you like big cities, Daniel?
I like visiting big cities, but I don't want to live there.
That makes sense.
What do you like about your city, Emily?
I like the restaurants and the parks.
That's great.
And I like meeting new people.
Big cities are good for that.
Daniel, do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house.
Is it a big house?
No, it's a small house, but it's comfortable.
Does it have a garden?
Yes, it has a small garden.
Wow, I love gardens.
Me too. I like flowers and trees.
Do you grow vegetables?
Yes, sometimes. I grow tomatoes and peppers.
That's wonderful.
What about you, Emily? House or apartment?
I live in an apartment.
Is it big?
No, it's small, but it's very nice.
Do you like living in an apartment?
Yes, I do. It's easy to clean and it's close to my school.
That's convenient.
Yes, it saves time.
Is your neighborhood safe?
Yes, it is. And it's close to a supermarket.
That's great.
Now we can talk about age. Remember, students, it's optional.
Yes, if you don't want to share your age, that's okay.
Daniel, how old are you?
I am 28 years old.
Great. I am 25 years old.
25 is a very good age.
Thank you. I think so too.
When is your birthday, Emily?
My birthday is in August.
Nice. My birthday is in March.
Do you like birthdays?
Yes, I do. I like cake and gifts.
Me too. I also like birthday parties.
Do you celebrate with friends or family?
Usually with friends. We go out to eat.
That sounds fun.
Now, a very common question. What do you do?
Yes, people ask this in introductions all the time.
Daniel, what do you do?
I am a teacher.
Great. What do you teach?
I teach English.
Perfect for English Talk class.
Yes, I love my job.
Why do you love your job?
Because I like helping people. I enjoy teaching and talking with students.
That's wonderful.
What about you, Emily? What do you do?
I am a student.
What do you study?
I study art.
Wow, art is very creative.
Yes, I love to draw and paint.
Do you study every day?
Yes, I study on weekdays. On weekends, I paint for fun.
That's a great routine.
Let's talk about daily routine.
Great idea. This is good speaking practice.
Daniel, what time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
That's not too early.
Yes, but I'm not a morning person.
Really?
Yes, I like sleeping.
Me too. What do you do in the morning?
First, I drink water, then I take a shower.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I usually eat eggs and toast.
Nice. I usually eat cereal or fruit.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
I like coffee too, but sometimes I drink tea. Daniel, what do you do after breakfast, Emily?
I go to school.
Do you drive?
No, I take the subway.
How long does it take?
About 30 minutes.
What do you do on the subway?
I listen to music or read.
That's a good way to use time.
Now let's talk about family.
Family is a great topic.
Daniel, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I do. I have one sister.
What is her name?
Her name is Sarah.
Is she older or younger than you?
She is younger than me.
What does she do?
She is a student.
What does she study?
She studies music. She plays the piano.
That's amazing. What about your parents?
My mother is a writer.
Wow. And your father?
My father is a doctor.
That's a wonderful family.
Daniel, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I do. I have one brother.
What is his name?
His name is Tom.
Is he older or younger than you?
He's older. He's 29 years old.
What does he do?
He works in an office.
Nice. Daniel, what about your parents, Emily?
My mother is a teacher. She teaches little children.
That's an important job.
And my father is a chef. He works in a restaurant.
A chef. That's so cool.
Now let's talk about pets.
Yes, many students love this topic.
Daniel, do you have a pet?
Yes, I do. I have a dog.
What is his name?
His name is Max.
What color is he?
He is brown.
Is he big or small?
He is small.
Is he friendly?
Yes, he's very friendly and funny.
That sounds so cute. Daniel, do you have a pet? Yes, I do. I have a cat.
What is her name?
Her name is Luna.
What does she look like?
She is black and white.
Is she active?
No, she is quiet and sleepy.
A sleepy cat is normal.
Yes, she sleeps all day. Now let's talk about favorite things.
This is the fun part.
Daniel, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What kind of pizza do you like?
I like vegetable pizza with tomatoes, peppers, and onions.
That sounds delicious. My favorite food is pasta.
Pasta is great too. What kind of pasta do you like?
I like spaghetti with cheese.
Yum. Daniel, what is your favorite drink, Emily?
My favorite drink is coffee.
Mine is tea.
What kind of tea do you like?
Green tea.
My favorite color is blue, like the sky.
My favorite color is green, like nature.
Blue and green are perfect together.
What is your favorite animal, Emily?
My favorite animal is a cat.
Cats are elegant and independent.
Yes. What about you?
My favorite animal is a dog. Dogs are loyal and friendly.
What kind of movies do you like, Daniel?
I like comedy movies. I love to laugh.
Me too. I also like animated movies.
Animated movies are fun and creative.
What kind of music do you like?
I like old rock music.
Nice. I like pop music and relaxing music. Now let's talk about hobbies.
Great topic.
Daniel, what are your hobbies?
I love listening to music.
What else?
I also like playing sports. I play soccer with my friends on Saturdays.
That's great. Soccer is good exercise.
Yes, it's fun to play with friends. Emily, what are your hobbies?
My hobby is painting.
Do you paint a lot?
Yes, every weekend. It helps me relax.
What do you paint?
I paint flowers, animals, and nature.
That sounds beautiful.
I also like reading books.
What kind of books do you read?
Adventure stories are my favorite.
Adventure stories are exciting.
Now let's talk about likes and dislikes.
This helps show personality.
Daniel, what food don't you like?
I don't like olives.
Really? I like olives.
I don't like the taste. Daniel, what food don't you like?
I don't like very spicy food.
I understand. Very spicy food can be difficult.
What activity don't you like?
I don't like waiting in long lines.
Me too. It's boring.
I also don't like waking up very early.
Same. I'm not a morning person.
I like my sleep.
Sleeping is important. Now let's practice short introductions.
Students can repeat after us.
Hi, my name is Emily. I'm from Canada. I'm a student. I like painting and pasta.
Hi, my name is Daniel. I'm from the United States. I'm an English teacher. I like pizza and dogs.
Great. Students, now change the information.
Yes, use your real information.
Wow, we talked about many things today.
Yes, name, country, city, age, job, family, pets, favorites, hobbies, likes, and dislikes.
And remember, you don't need to say everything.
Keep it simple and be friendly.
And smile.
Always.
Thank you for joining English Talk class today.
Please subscribe, like, and share.
And comment below. Tell us about yourself.
See you next time. Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Emily.